Hello everyone, how's it going? So today we're going to be starting a new series on the channel called I think I'm going to call it tutorials. So in this series I'm going to be sharing anything that seems interesting that you guys might want to know. So in this episode I'm going to be teaching you how to turn off audio priority on Chromebooks. So, yeah, before we begin, I would like to apologize for any lag or background audio that may occur in the video. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, yeah, as a hypothetical, if you have a if you don't have a Chromebook and you never used one before, one problem is that if you want to play downloaded music and also use a tab in Chrome that provides audio, the music will just shut off. The music will pause itself and focus on that tab's audio. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to stop that problem. So first you're gonna want to go to Chrome double slash flags. Once you get here, you're gonna want to make sure to read the warning. So, warning: experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enabled features apply to all users of this browser. Flags that apply system wide can only be set by the owner. Inter- Interested in cool new features, try our beta channel. So, yeah. So, what flags is experimental features for Chrome. So I'll share what the so I guess I'll show you the first five here. So the first five are override software render list. Overrides the built-in software rendering list enables GPU acceleration on unsupported system configurations. Accelerated 2D canvas enables the use of the GPU to perform 2D canvas rendering instead of using software rendering. And then we got select HW overlay strategies. Select strategies used to promote quads to HW overlays. Then we have tint GL com- composited content. Tint contents composited using GL with a shade of red to help debug and study overlay support. So yeah, these are basically the kind of things you'll expect to see on this kind of on the experiments. So what you're gonna want to do is search up audio focus enforcement, and then it should pop up in the available tab. So when you find it, it enables enforcement of a single media session having audio focus at any one time. Requires hashtag enable media session service to be enabled too. So yeah. So what this basically means is that if this is enabled, it will make sure that only one tab or one window of audio is focused at a time. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. The new Screencastify update reduced the recording limit down to 5 minutes. So, yeah. So, like I was saying before, what you're gonna want to do is click here and then click on disable. I already have it disabled. And once it says that, it'll prompt saying you have to restart your device to enable the changes. But that's only on Chromebook. On like a other system like Windows or Mac or Linux, your all you have to do is just reopen the browser and then the changes should take effect. So yeah, what now it's enabled. So if we go to if we go here, if we go here and then we open a tab like I don't know, like I don't like YouTube. If we open YouTube up, then we go to a random video like memes, for instance.
The worldwide phenomenon is
If you open the video,
the worldwide phenomenon is
so if we do this, if we
You just turn your
turn
music up. Mechanic. A new scientific study claims.
music, then we
You
play
just turn
this.
your music up. Mechanic. A new scientific study claims.
And there you have it, guys. That was just proof that there's no audio focus for this tab. So yeah, guys. I'm just gonna close this. That is how you disable audio focus on Chromebook. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, and comment down below what you liked most about the video. And then if you dislike the video, leave a dislike and please comment down below what you disliked about the video so that I can improve